The audio guide we offer contains the most important historical events that took place in Sighisoara, but also aspects of everyday life like the living, the architecture of the houses of the citadel, the learning system, and the cultural artistic life of the inhabitants. We enjoy welcoming you in the mystical city Sighisoara, and we offer you a complete tour in the city's past, which is full of history, accompanied by the music that is specific to the old times. You can also admire the architectonic details of the buildings, other medieval citadels from Transylvania, but also other spectacular tourist attractions of this country. We hope that after you have finished this tour, you will have created a true impression of the old ages, which are highlighted in the houses, passages, and alleys of Sighisoara.